Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Culture. This channel will contain those programs whose explanation is either not present on YouTube or the explanation is present but not up to the mark. So without wasting time, let's get started. So today's question is the range addition 2, which is also the daily question of 30 August. Okay, so what we have to do in this question is, okay, first of all, we will be given M and N, where M will be the number of rows and N will be the number of columns, and there will be some coordinates given in a OPS array, or we can say 2D array ops, in which some coordinates will be given, and what we have to do is that we have to increment the value of from 0 to 2 2th row and 0 to 2th column by 1, and from 0 to 3 and 0 from in this, and 0 to 3th column in this. Like if we are given this matrix M by N, there will be no matrix, there will be only the number of rows and number of columns, and we have to suppose it is as a matrix with all the elements filled in it as 0. Okay, and when, like here we will be given 2 comma 2, so we have to increment all the 2 rows and 2 columns of matrix by 1. Okay, and then like another coordinate is given 3, then like another, the coordinates are given 3 comma 3, so we have to increment first 3 rows and first 3 columns of the matrix by 1. Okay, so like there will be the first 2 rows and 2 columns were already 1, and then we have to increment the first 3 rows and first 3 columns by 1, so these 2 rows 2 columns will become 2 2 and other will be 1. And what we have to return, we have to return the number of maximum integers. Like here in this matrix, the maximum integer is 2 and the number of maximum integer, they are 4, so we have to return the number of maximum integers in the matrix. Okay, so yeah, this is a question, and yeah, by seeing this question it seems like it is a tough question, and we have to do all the operations of the matrix of the all the increment it by 1 for all the coordinates, and then have to check it, but it's not like that. It is a very simple 4 lines of code. Okay, so yeah, let's see what we have to do. And we open the paint. Okay, so let's see in the MS Paint, like these coordinates are, so like there are the coordinates given, and we have to, first of all, what we have to do, we have to increment the first 2 rows, the intersection of the first 2 rows and first 2 columns by 1. Okay, so what will it will become 1, and then first 3 rows by 1, then they will become 1 and they will become 2. Okay, I think that you must all will be getting what I want to say, and then these 2 will become 1. Okay, so yeah, by doing this, by it is a brute force method, and okay, so like 1 comma 2, so first row and 2 columns, they will become increment by 1. Okay, and then like 2 comma 1, so the first 2 rows, the first column will increment by 1. Okay, so by seeing this, what we get the intuition is that if we calculate the minimum number of rows, like here the minimum number of row is 1 and the minimum number of column here is also 1, so the maximum number of numbers, what will become, they will become equal to the multiplication of minimum number of rows and minimum number of columns. Yeah, that is the intuition, and with the help of this we can do it in 4 lines, I think. Yeah, 4 lines. Okay, so लेट मी एक्सप्लेन इट इन हिंदी ऑल्सो. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं कि हमको कैलकुलेट क्या करना है कि हमको मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ रो अगर हम कैलकुलेट करें जो कि यहाँ 1 है, और मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ़ कॉलम्स कैलकुलेट करें जो कि यहाँ पे 1 है, तो अगर हम इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन रिटर्न कर रहे हैं तो यही वो इनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन ही नंबर ऑफ़ सेल होंगे जिनका जो मैक्सिमम कंटेन करते होंगे. ओके, मैक्सिमम नंबर्स हमको क्या रिटर्न करना है, हमको रिटर्न करना है जो हमारे मैक्सिमम इंटीजर हैं वो कितने प्रेजेंट हैं उस मैट्रिक्स में. ओके, आई थिंक दैट यू मस्ट ऑल विल बी गेटिंग इट. सो आई थिंक नाउ लेट्स स्विच ऑन टू द कोड सेक्शन. Like okay, so first of all, we have to initialize our minimum row by what, by m. Yeah, suppose by m, and int minimum of column by n. Okay, and now what, I will take out the coordinates 1 by 1 from the 2D matrix, and I will compare it. Minimum r equal to math dot min of minimum of r and what, and tmp 0 for the minimum number of rows, and similarly the same thing we will do for the minimum number of columns. I think that you must all will be getting what I want to say. Okay, and at last I will simply return my the product of minimum row and minimum column. Okay, so let me first of all check if it is running or not. Okay, so yeah, first let me check if it is running or not. I think that it should run. Hmm. Yeah, it's running, and let's try to submit it. Yeah, it's accepted. So yeah, the main intuition behind this question was to calculate the minimum number of rows and the minimum number of columns, and the maximum integers number will be the product of those number of rows and number of columns. So yeah, it was a easy question with the 5 lines of code, but it is a very important question from the interview point of view. So I think that you should prepare it nicely. And yeah, if this explanation has helped you in understanding this problem in a very good way, and so I think the channel must deserve a subscribe. So please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive all the updates from our channel. Okay, and ask any doubt if you have in the comment section, and don't forget to comment down your remarks or review, and keep on coding. Till then, Jai Hind, bye bye.